Leave your pots as new with this simple home trick. There are people obsessed with cleanliness, which in itself is nothing wrong, since we are simply busy living in clean, orderly spaces, without bad smell or dirt. All people should live this way. When in the kitchen, this place is very important to keep clean, because in the cooked food we are going to ingest, therefore we need a space free of bacteria and dirt, where our food is not affected by the environment, but can be cooked without dirt problems. There is nothing more uncomfortable than having to cook in a messy kitchen. The kitchen is a place susceptible to disorder, since while cooking we can mess up many elements and let them accumulate, resulting in a mess. In the case of pots, there are people who have their pots as a decorative element in their home. That is, in addition to being a utensil, the pots place them in an area of the kitchen where you can see the collection and thus suppose a decorative element inside the kitchen. But pots, because of their constant use, can tend to get dirty and stained permanently, which can be a problem if your pots are part of the decoration. However, regardless of this, it may not be pleasant to have a pot in poor condition. For this reason, here we will tell you how to wash your pots to completely eliminate their stains and the rust that accumulates in them. All you need is the following ingredients: lemon juice, salt. Process: place the pot on a flat surface. Apply salt over the area you want to clean, either grease or rust stain. Then place lemon juice, moistening a little the salt that covers the stain. Let this act for about 3 or 4 hours. Finally, use the lemon peel to rub the stain and then wash with lots of soap and water. Use a sponge to rub the area. Perform this simple procedure and your pots will be free of rust, grease and dirt. Do not hesitate to implement it. Share this article and tell us how you did with the procedure.